Okay, so example 8 is find the intersection of set A complement and B complement. So here, when the primes, right, are right next to the set, you have to do this first. Take the complement of the set, take the complement of this set, and then you're going to find what's common to both sets. So A complement, what is a complement? Well, a complement is all the elements, right, okay, that are in the universal set but that are not in A. Okay, so let's actually let's write U first. Even though you have U above, you need to write it again, because when you cross out or eliminate elements from different parts, it's not going to be the same all the time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these are the elements in the universal set. Okay, but I don't want the elements in A. So the elements not in A are, let's see, what do we have? Not 1, because 1, so A, 1, 3, 7, 9. 1, 3, 7, and 9. Okay, so I cross those out. So now my A complement is whatever is left over. So it looks like these guys. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so let me maybe box that, okay, because we're going to use that in a bit. So now let's do the same thing. Let's find B complement. So again, I write my universal set. And again, we look at B. So B is 3, 7, 8, and 10. So we don't want 3, 7, 8, and 10. So we cross out 3, 7, 8, and 10. So again, what's left over? That's going to be our B complement. And that looks like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 9. So I'll just make that pink. Okay, so now we want to find, let's see, this green, right? We want to find the intersection of those two sets. So what's in common? And let's see, let me move this up, make it a little bit smaller. And I'm just getting my white. So the intersection, well, so we found A complement, we found B complement, and now what's the intersection? And when you're beginning, I encourage you to write this again, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8, and 10. So again, I'm going to make this smaller. And you're intersecting it with your set B, which is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 9. So again, that's B prime. And let me get my blue. And this is, that's A prime, and then the blue is B prime. So what's in common? Well, it looks like 2 is in common, 4 is in common, 5 is also in common, and 6, right? That's it. There are no other elements that are common to both sets. So your final answer is 2, 4, 5, and 6. So again, I encourage you to write these sets again. I notice students who often have trouble finding the intersection are because they don't write down the elements again. It's very hard to do it in your head, especially when you have a lot of elements and again a lot of sets. And we're not always going to have 2 sets. We might have 3 sets. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more example, not in this, maybe two more examples, but in the next video.